The headlines: Derailed goods train at Kalladka disrupts railway traffic. 3 arrested for forging city commissioner's signature. Council meet turns fish market. Congressmen create chaos. And Tulu culture on display at Atidonji Dina. A goods train moving from Mangalore to Bangalore derailed near Golta Majal in Kalladka on Tuesday night, July 29th. As a result, the passenger train slated to leave Mangalore at 6:35 am and 10:30 am on Wednesday, July 30th had to be cancelled. The train arriving from Bangalore to Mangalore Wednesday morning cut short its trip at Puttur, and passengers had to travel by buses or other means to reach Mangalore. The railway lines are expected to be ready for traffic by Wednesday night. The passengers, who are already worried over poor security in trains, are faced with the additional apprehension of safety of the railway tracks. The railway department has not come out with any official statement so far on this incident. Congressmen created chaos at the council meet of the Mangalore City Corporation regarding the reinstatement of a suspended junior engineer, thereby disrupting the proceedings on Tuesday, July 29th. Ex-Mayor Ashraf, opposition leader Harinath and other Congress corporators constantly interrupted the council meet proceedings and kept demanding an answer for the reinstatement of the suspended engineer. In his response, Mayor Ganesh Hosabettu said that Congress had no moral right to talk about the issue as corruption had taken place during the Congress regime itself. Later, Congress corporators stormed to the well of the House and started shouting slogans against the mayor.
Tickle your taste buds with sumptuous dishes. Madhuvan's Village promises food relishes a delightful journey in taste. Experience an enchanting village ambience with cozy huts, smoke-free zone and tranquil surroundings. Village Family Restaurant is now even more inviting with added features like 4-lane concreted road right at the doorstep, ample space for car parking, more picturesque open space ideal for corporate and family parties, exceptional dining choices of Indian, Chinese, continental and ethnic delicacies. Visit Village Family Restaurant to experience a delicious blend of idyllic surroundings and mouth-watering cuisines. Madhuvan's Village, the family restaurant, Yadi, Bangalore 8, phone 2214-158. Come once, you're sure to remain a regular.
The police have arrested 3 persons in connection with the case of forging of the signature of Mangalore City Commissioner on Tuesday, July 29th. The arrested have been identified as Abdul Salim, Gurudat Nayak and Girish. Abdul Salim and Gurudat Nayak are contractors in the city, while Girish is an employee of the city corporation. The accused are charged with their involvement in forging the signature of the then MCC Commissioner Krishna Pujari. A file related to works on repairs of Pandeshwara Wetwell amounting to Rs 61,711 crores was found to have been tampered with using the forged signature in March 2008. A complaint was lodged at Barke police station later. The police took more than 4 months to arrest the accused. The accused were produced in the court on Tuesday and they were remanded judicial custody till August 11, 2008. Artidonji Dina, a program organized at Guttu House in Pilikula to express and experience the rich culture of Tulu Nadu, drew the attention of the visitors on Wednesday, July 30th. The food made out of naturally available meats was the special attraction of the day. Traditional dishes like patrode, pelakai gatti, sarnedde, olita mude, kuduta sar chutney, timarada chutney, pelakai garage, sambrani tappu tambuli and many more were prepared to commemorate the special occasion. Meanwhile, the exhibition on traditional items and antiquities used in the rural setup was also held. The program was marked with the presentation of various Tulu cultural programs and performance of Tulu and Kannada folk songs as well. Professor K. M. Kaveriyappa, Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, inaugurated the program.
ಆಟಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಒಂದು ಕೆಲವು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಪ್ರಾಯ. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳನ್ನು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಸೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಆಟಿ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ. ಆದರೆ ಕೆಲವು ವಿಚಾರಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಆಟಿ ತಿಂಗಳು ಬಹಳ ವಿಶೇಷ ಆಗಿರಬಹುದು. ಈ ಆಟಿ ತಿಂಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಪರಿಸರ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗ್ತದೆ, ಹವಾಮಾನ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಇರ್ತದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಈ ತಿಂಗಳಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಕಾಯಿಲೆಗಳು ರೋಗ ಬರುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯ ಹೇಳಬಹುದು.
Taluk Panchayat member Shriyala Hegde, Mudushatte village Panchayat member Kavita Dinesh, State Pollution Control Board Regional Officer Ramesh Kumar B.N., Administrator of Father Mulla Medical College Father Dennis Desa, B. Jayalakshmi Shetty, Kasturi Ratnakar and others were present on the occasion.